In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view and edit your employees' availability templates. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or your location selected, then click on Employees. Choose the employee you would like to view availability templates for. Then go to your new top menu bar and click on Availability. Choose Templates from your drop-down menu. You should now arrive at your employee's global availability template. If you scroll down, you can see when that employee is available to work each day of the week. You can see their priority. That means whether they really want to work that day or not really. This employee prefers to work on Fridays, but doesn't really want to work on Sundays or Mondays. You can see if they are available all day or only for certain hours of that day. You can also see when they prefer to work on that day. This employee prefers to work Friday evenings. This is a restaurant, so that's probably when they get the most tips. And then you can see the total hours they are available to work for that day. If you need to change any of this information, you can do so. Say your employee is no longer available Sunday mornings. You can click on All Day next to Sunday and choose to change this from, let's say, noon, I'll type in 12 p.m., to 11 p.m. when we close. To save these changes, click on Save at the bottom of your screen. TeamWork 5 is going to let you know when those changes were last saved. You can also choose to delete an availability template by clicking on Delete down here. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete that template. If you do, choose OK. I don't, so I'm going to choose Cancel. Now I'm going to scroll back up to the top. We have been looking at the global availability for this employee. That means when they're available to work everywhere. But they might have different location-specific availabilities. So if I click on the arrow next to Global, you can see there is an After-Hours date-based specific template. If I click on that, the employee's availability has changed. If I scroll down, you can see they are only available to work on Tuesdays and Thursdays at After Hours. So this template is only in effect for a specific set of dates. Most likely, since this is the end of May, this was finals week. There are a couple other ways you can access your employees' availability templates. If you click on Calendar at the top of your chart, you will be taken to your employees' availability calendar. If you want to view their availability for a specific day, you can click on that day's availability and choose Open. Now you will be taken to that specific date's availability. I could have also clicked on Templates at the top of that chart, and that would take me to Templates as well. That's how you can view your employees' availability templates. To learn how to view and adjust employee overrides, check out the next video.